science experiments for you. Again, you should be able to find a glass bottle. A plastic bottle probably won't work. A dollar bill and a stack of quarters. I've got about 8 quarters here. If you take the dollar bill and you set it on top of the bottle, and then set the quarters on top of the dollar bill. Now make sure that the quarters are straight. And you also should check to see that the quarters are directly on top of the bottle. And if you hit the dollar bill very quickly, you create very, very little friction, and the quarters will stay on top. You can try the same experiment instead of with a stack of quarters. Use a stack of dimes and set it up directly over the bottle, and when you hit the dollar bill with a stack of dimes, the dimes should go right into the glass. So this, again, another fun experiment you can do at home. You should be able to find all 3 of these materials at home to try this experiment. So try it with some people at home, have some fun. We'll see you. Have a good day.